Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can remove any unpacked extension from your Google Chrome. If you are having any issues related to your Google Chrome after installing any specific unpacked extension which you have loaded in Google Chrome, then you may try uninstalling that particular extension. Let's follow the given steps to see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then, in the Google Chrome, you need to click on these three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then, hover your cursor over to the Extensions option. Then, simply click on the Manage Extensions. Now, you can see all of the extensions in this particular page. Now, whether the extensions have been installed from the Chrome Web Store or they have been installed locally, or which are also called the unpacked extensions, they all will be visible under this particular section. Now, to remove any of the extension, simply click on the Remove button here. Once you click on it, a dialog box will appear, and if you think that this particular extension is harmful or dangerous, or it violated any of the Google terms, then you can simply click on this check mark. Else, you may proceed and click on the Remove button. And here you go. The extension have been successfully removed from your browser. Now, for best results, try restarting your browser and see if that solves your issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and have a nice day.